Hey guys, TechSender here. Today is video tutorial. I going to show you how to download Windows ISO file with Windows 10. If you want to download Windows 10 ISO file with your Windows operating system, you cannot download ISO file. You can download Windows Media Tool exe file. So today in this video tutorial I going to show you how can download Windows ISO file. So let's start. First, you need to open up your favorite browser. Then go to google.com. Now type download Windows 10 and click search. Click the first link. It recommends updating your Windows 10. But I want to download Windows 10 ISO file. If I click download tool now, it will be downloaded Windows Media Tool. It will not download ISO file. If you want to download Windows 10 ISO file, you need to use your agent switcher extensions. It will depend on your browser. If you use Firefox, you need the Firefox add-ons. Or if you use Google Chrome, you need the Google Chrome extensions. I'll link in description below. Click Add to Firefox. Now click Add. Then click an Android icon. And refresh this page now. Wow, it is recommended. Now download ISO file. Now select your edition and click confirm. Then select your language and click confirm. Now it will ask you what is your computer bit. If you don't know what is your computer bit, just search on your computer My PC. Then click mouse right bottom and click properties. See your all information here. Now click 32-bit download option or 64-bit download option. It will depend on your computer bit. In my case 64-bit download option. Wow, it is now downloading 4.369 gigabytes ISO file. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel TechSender for always stay connected to my channel and get all upcoming video tutorial on technology issue. Goodbye and take care of yourself.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and